Hi there folks, this is Barry Hoey with the Hoey Team, brokered by eXp Realty in Naples, Southwest Florida, and I'm here in Kings Lake at Community Greenfield Village, where we just sold a condo. It closed yesterday, and this particular one we listed it as the pandemic was starting, and we sold it or got it under contract at the height of the pandemic, and we actually sold it for almost full price. We continue to list and sell properties. Actually, we have a lot of sellers holding off at the moment because I think they believe that we're not able to sell properties in the current market, and actually, with the tools and technology that we have, we are getting excellent results. This week we have been showing a bunch of properties to different people in all price ranges, and the Hoey Team, we cater for all price ranges. We don't discriminate on price, so reach out to us. It's Barry and Kim at the Hoey Team, 239-360-5527. If you go to our virtual tour page, we have 239vt.com. There you'll see virtual tours for all of our listings, and reach out to us. Alrighty, chat soon. Bye.